Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into this one-bedroom amazing apartment in the heart of the Marais. Please. As you can see, it has a big, spacious living room with a sofa bed convertible for 2 persons. You have a corner kitchen where you have everything to cook. Hidden, you got the fridge. On the left, you have a wardrobe with everything you needed to cook. A microwave, forks, dishes and glasses. Close to the windows of the apartment, you have a television, internet unlimited, a table with 2 chairs in the middle of this authentic charm of Paris, composed by real parquet and wood, which gives you an idea of the old Parisian style.
Behind this door you have the bedroom, composed of a bed of a very good size for 2 people, and a hanging space where you can put all your clothes you need, and also 3 little closets where you can store all your belongings. To finish, you can enjoy an amazing site on Rue Volta, which is very central in Le Marais district.
To finish the visit of this charming one-bedroom apartment, you will have the bathroom here on the corner of the entrance, which is composed by a toilet, a sink, a big shower and a washing machine.